Hey everyone, it's Crystal, and I am popping in today to share a quick little video, especially for virtual assistants. And over the last couple of weeks, couple of months, I've really been considering focusing on a certain group of people. And those groups are stay-at-home moms and virtual assistants. And there may be some of you who are virtual assistants who are stay-at-home moms, which is great. But if you are a virtual assistant and you are basically struggling to fill your calendar, you need to listen to this video. So when I first started, I was a general virtual assistant. So I didn't have any particular skills like in regards to marketing, social media, graphic design, that type of thing. And I really felt that it limited me. And sometimes it's hard to get consistent long-term clientele when you are just a general VA. I'm not saying it's impossible to get clients because I had them and had some really great experiences. However, if you can really hone in on a specific industry, it really gives you the opportunity to build those hours that you need, get those extra hours that you need, and really add additional income to your business or begin to like completely focus in on a specific industry and use that industry as your main income. So I did that by working with realtors as a virtual real estate transaction coordinator. So that's something that I really think every virtual assistant should consider, whether you are just starting out or maybe you are a few years in. And again, you have those weeks where you're looking at your calendar and you're like, I only worked 10 hours this week or 15 hours this week, and I really need the extra income. Then I highly suggest that you consider really adding in this business to what you already have going on with your VA clientele. So I just wanted to pop in briefly and share that. Like I said, these two groups of people, virtual assistants and stay-at-home moms, have really been on my heart. And you're going to see a transformation over the next couple of months where I really begin to hone in on servicing those particular groups of people. And I think it's good, and I hope that you're on board with it. I'm really excited about it because it's something that I believe in, and it's my story. So I can really relate because I've been there and I've done that. And I would love to guide anyone along the way who maybe just needs a helping hand or a little bit of guidance. So I hope you're excited about that. Again, for you virtual assistants out there, you really need to consider adding this real estate transaction coordinator business, real estate transaction coordination to your existing business. So please make sure you join my email list. You can do that by clicking the link in the description below the video, and that will take you to my website where you can join my VIP email list and get more free information from me about this specific industry. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Until next time.